WEX FSM allows you to easily add and manage customers. To add a customer, click the red plus button in the top right of your screen, then fill out the information and click Save. Email is a required field by default, but if the customer you're adding does not have an email, you can bypass the email requirement by selecting Opt out of marketing emails and Opt out of email notifications. Once a customer is saved, they are added to your customer list and a customer page is created. To go to a customer page, search for your customer in the search bar in the top right of your screen and click on their name. Each customer page will be home to all information regarding your customer. At the top, you'll see customer status and the referral source. You'll also have a bar of quick actions to easily access common actions taken on the customer account. On the left side, you'll find the primary contact, which is generally the owner of the property. Below that, you'll see location information, settings, preferences, growth potential, and a place to upload and access customer documents. On the right, you'll find the customer timeline showing you all account history. You can filter the timeline by jobs, appointments, calls and notes, proposals, invoices, and payments. Above the timeline, there are tabs for taking payments, documenting equipment, managing maintenance plans, and adding contact information. Customer profile pages can also be accessed from the mobile app. Each customer you service will have at least one billing address and one location. For typical residential customers, the billing address and service location will likely be the same. Although many of your customers may have a 1-to-1 ratio, you can have as many locations under the account as needed. To add an address, click the plus sign, fill out the information, and click Save. If this is a residential customer with multiple locations, these may be rental properties. If this is a commercial customer, these may be different store locations or properties that the company oversees. To edit an address, click on the address and make your edits. Location name is a great place to put apartment numbers, additional tenant names, or any information you need to see quickly. Adding a name like Rental Property 1 will help you distinguish between multiple locations when searching. You can also add system count, system age, fuel type, or make this the default location for this customer. If you no longer need to service this property, you can archive the location by clicking Archive in the bottom left. When you're done, click Save to update the address info. The quick actions at the top of the customer's account gives you easy access to frequently used action items. Message the customer allows you to text your customer through the two-way texting feature. You can log phone call notes in the event you speak to a customer, but no appointment or job was needed. Schedule an appointment allows you to quickly schedule an appointment. This is the same appointment scheduler you see on the schedule page. Leave a note about a customer allows you to take notes for referencing later. When creating a note, you can attach it to a specific location, input detailed notes, or bell the note with the bell icon at the top. Keep in mind, belled notes will be pinned to the top of your timeline and found in all future jobs you create, while all other notes will be found in the timeline in chronological order. Mobile app users will see belled notes on each appointment page when running jobs from the field. This is great for gate code information, filter sizes, or any reminders you want for every job. Lastly, you can create a new job form. Creating a job form is the fastest way to create an invoice or proposal. Select the job type and enter a name for the job. Then you can select to create a job with a proposal, invoice, or select Create New Job Only without proposal or invoice to create a job without any items in it. Then you can add what you need later. Each customer account will have a group of settings you can customize and a section for documents to keep files organized. Let's take a look at the Settings and Preferences section. Accepted Payment Methods allows you to choose how you want this customer to pay. If you're open for card and check processing, you'll have the option to allow all payment methods, or you can choose to restrict them to one method or another. Next, you can set your customer's payment terms. When you create an invoice, your system will override the default payment terms from your system settings to the selection you make here. Preferred Communication Method allows you to choose your customer's default preference for receiving messages by either text or email. If your customer has a favorite technician, you can assign a preferred technician here. Then, when you're scheduling an appointment, you will see the preferred tech, making it easy to send the right person for the job. You can also manage your customers' notification settings. Selecting Opt-out for text, marketing emails, or all emails will prevent anyone on your team from sending those notifications. Customer documents can be uploaded and viewed online from the customer page on desktop, as well as the mobile app.